Are you going to talk this time? You're going to be shy? Hello everyone, welcome. Today I will be unboxing the Uma ukulele with the help of Yoshino.
Hi.
I have a whole Yoshino playlist because we've done a few videos together and we will continue to do more. So check out the card on the screen here so you can see more Yoshino videos. Let's get started with the unboxing. Dozo.
Hi. No scissors.
We don't need Hasami today.
Yes.
Ooh, looking good.
Wow.
That is a nice thick bag.
ちょっと大きい。
It is a little big. Maybe not a soprano. Okay, so the gig bag. We have a nice front bag. Let's open it. I just closed it. So that's a pretty nicely sized bag, and then that's just the embroidering of the company in front. Okay, let's open. Yay! Okay, pull it out. Ooh! Yeah! The tuners look really good. Whoa! Do you like it?
Yes. Pika pika.
Yeah! The binding.
Kira kira.
Yeah, that is pretty. We are going to tune and play Yoshino. Like in our last unboxing, this will be the Yoshino show. So take over, come to the middle. Ah.
Maybe I think. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the
Concert ukulele. So this is a concert ukulele by Uma. We will continue to play with this instrument. We're actually going to record another video with it, so I'll make sure and link it down below and tag it on the screen so you can see it. But so far, what do you think? Would you also submit this ukulele? Do you like it? Yeah? No?
Yes.
So far we would both recommend the ukulele. I think it's very beautiful. It has a nice and unique sound. It does have a unique sound though. It's different from other ukulele sounds, and they have paid attention to details with the gloss, the rosette, the binding, and I think like even the markers have that kind of mother of pearl seashell look to it. So I think that it is a very special looking ukulele. I hope that you liked this video and that you'll come back for the review. And I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!
Sayonara!